Downloading your designs from Canva is a straightforward process. Whether you are saving images, presentations, or other projects, Canva offers several options to suit your needs, and most of the download options are free. So, let's walk you through the steps to download your work efficiently. First, log into your Canva account, navigate to the dashboard, and select the design you wish to download. Click on it to open the editor. In the top right corner of the editor, you will see a button labeled Share. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Download option at the bottom left of the section. Canva provides various file formats to download. Depending on your project requirements, you can choose from PNG, which is ideal for high-quality images, then JPEG, which is a great type, suitable for standard image quality with smaller file sizes. Another file type is a PDF standard, which is best for documents intended to digital use. You can also select PDF print, which is optimized for printing purposes. The next file type is SVG, which is used for web design and animations. Because Canva is also a popular video editor, you can download your file in MP4 video format. The last two formats are GIF, which is great for short looping animations, and PPTX, a format used for Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. So, select the format that aligns with your needs by clicking on the drop-down menu under File Type. Depending on the file type you choose, additional settings may be available. I'm talking about size that can adjust the dimensions of your project. You can also select quality, which sets the resolution or quality level. And if your design has multiple pages, you can choose a specific one to download or download all of them. So, make any necessary adjustments to these settings to ensure your download meets your requirements. Once you have figured out your settings, click the purple download button. Canva will process your design and save the file to your computer's default download location. By following these steps, you can easily download your Canva designs in the format that best suits your needs. This flexibility allows you to use your creations across various platforms and mediums, ensuring they look their best whether they are displayed. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed, like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials about Canva.